In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Wix account by deactivating it properly. To get started, sign into your Wix account and make sure you're on your main dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open the account menu where you'll find several options related to your profile and account management. From that menu, click on Account Settings. This is where Wix keeps the main controls for your account, including security, personal details, and account status. After the settings page opens, scroll down carefully until you find the section labeled Close Your Wix Account. Since this option is placed lower on the page, it can be easy to miss, so take your time and make sure you're in the correct section before continuing. Click Close Account to begin the account deletion process. At this point, Wix will usually show you some requirements before you can fully proceed. One important thing to know is that you cannot close the account until all of your sites have been handled first. That means you'll need to move all your sites to the trash or transfer them to another account if you want to keep them active elsewhere. This step is essential, so if the system does not let you continue, it usually means there are still sites connected to your account. After all of your sites have been removed or transferred, continue with the closure process. You'll then be asked to provide a reason for closing your account. You can enter the details in the space provided. This part is generally used for feedback, so just fill it in based on your situation and move on to the next step. To confirm the deletion, enter your password in the confirmation field. This is a security step to make sure it's really you making the request. After entering your password, click Close Account to finalize the process. Before you do this, it's a good idea to double-check that you no longer need anything stored in the account, especially if any sites, subscriptions, or important content were connected to it. Once the account is closed, reversing the action may not be simple, and that's how to delete your Wix account. If you follow these steps in order, the process should be quick and straightforward.